In this video I'm going to show you how to fix no sound in Windows 11. As you can see, I have my Windows desktop over here, and what we need to do is go to the search bar and there we will search for settings. After that, select it and then go to your system, and once you have selected system you will find the option sound. Now go to the sound option and always make sure you have selected the Realtek HD output. Now, as you can see, if we move this, there will be a sound, and if there is not a sound, then we need to do another setting. So what you need to do is back out of this settings menu and then again go to the search bar. Here we will search for Device Manager. Now once you have searched for Device Manager, select that option. Now once you have opened your Device Manager, then go to Audio Inputs and open that menu. And there you will find the Realtek HD. This is my headphone, so I use this headphone as my output for my sound. After that, right click on it and there you will find Update Driver. So always make sure your driver is updated. So update your driver and then search for automatically. And as you can see, my device is already updated. But if it doesn't work, then you can also right click on it and then go to Properties. And after that go to driver. As you can see, there is an update driver option over here. So if you have updated your driver and it still not work, then roll back your driver to the previous update. After that it must be working, and if it is not working, then check your cables because you want to make sure everything is plugged in. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.